The rise of Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. This is the man who's been spoken about, right? Has been spoken about in the mainstream media, social media, newspaper. You can mention it. But who's Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi? So in this video, we are going a bit deeper to understand who's Lieutenant General Mkhwanazi and what is it has informed his rise to prominence and why is his name in everyone's lips. Everyone, of course, who cares about what's going on in this country. They've been talking about Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. So, but we need to go behind the scene to understand who's the man. Who's this man, Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi? So I'm talking about his rise to prominence. Greetings, guys. Welcome to the platform. My name is Devos Kosana. The name of the platform is Izwi Labansundu, the voice for Africans. Okay, so the meteoric rise